Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix a crash during map loading in CS2. It's quite easy and straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that your operating system and your GPU drivers is fully updated. And to make sure that, you need to first go to settings, then on the settings window you need to scroll down until you see Windows Update, and then check for updates. And if there is an update for you that you need to download and install it, please do so, restart your computer, and then you need to look if the problem persists or not. Same thing with the GPU drivers, depending of course on what GPU you're using, NVIDIA, AMD or other. There is separate apps to that. I'm using NVIDIA, so there is an app called GeForce Experience. You can download from official NVIDIA website. And if you're using AMD, I believe there is AMD Radeon. And then you just need to go to drivers and check for updates. And also there is alternate way how you can check for updates and install the drivers is to go to device manager. Then on device manager you need to go to display adapters, then you will see your GPU, right click on it, then update driver and search automatically for drivers, right? And after you do so, after you basically update your operating system and your GPU drivers, then you need to restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And still, if the problem persists, then you need to go to Steam, library, right click on the game, properties, install files and verify integrity of the game files. So maybe your CS2 have some corrupted files that need to be fixed, so go ahead, verify files, and if there is some files, it will be maybe missing, they will be reinstated on your game. So yeah, that's pretty much it what you need to do here, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.